Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are unboxing the new GoPro Hero 2018. Well, I have mixed feelings about GoPro Hero 2018 because as you can see behind me I have GoPro 6, I have GoPro Hero 5 Sessions, so I also tried a couple of GoPro clones, but then this guy showed up as a budget GoPro. Well, let me start unboxing and tell you more about it. My actual relationship with action cameras started with our family holiday. When we decided on going on holiday, we were going to an exotic destination actually, and I thought about having an action camera so we can properly shoot ourselves when we are in the sea. But then I realized action cameras are actually amazing. Then I got hooked up. So I tried GoPro Hero 5 Sessions in that tropical island, but then for my videos and everything, this YouTube thing started to take some shape, and I really got the taste of good cameras after the GoPro clones and everything. I said, okay, I'll go ahead and go get the GoPro Hero 6, which is as good as GoPro gets, even though it has some trouble with its sound. I'll let you more about that. So basically I got fallen in love with GoPros in general, and it was not an option not to get the newest one. Oh my goodness, this is the regular GoPro covers look. Like, it's a regular GoPro box, the ones that we are used to with the other two over there, but I'm still happy to see it. Of course, the quality of the paper is really good, but the meaning or the purpose of this video is actually compare new GoPro Hero 2018 with the older versions, with GoPro Hero 6 actually being a better camera and GoPro Hero 5 Sessions being the former budget camera that GoPro replaced with this 2018 version. So, like with any other GoPro, they added this tape here. You just rip it out gently and it comes out. And then you take the GoPro out of its box. Of course, the looks is very similar to GoPro Hero 6, which is actually on my chest now. Whoops, yeah. It's always fun to unbox a GoPro, okay? No matter how it's marketed. Let me put it this way to be gentle. Okay, let's see what's in the box. I am expecting 2 mounts, some documentation paper, and what else? Yeah, the charger, yeah. Let's see, will I be surprised with anything? Let's go. Okay, let's see. First compartment was empty, yes. As it's the tradition, 2 mounts. Oh, the battery is actually here. Is it smaller than the other one? I'm not sure, but I will compare the two, so keep watching the video. By the way, if you like GoPros and tech in general, consider subscribing to our channel. We are doing a good job so far. Our subscribers are really happy, and just join them, be one of our happy subscribers. This time I know what to do. I'm first taking this out before forcing it, and it says remove here, but no one does that. So you actually first need to get this guy out and then push so it gets out as easy. Oh my god, it's like the physical thing. Well, you know what? I think there was another picture on the sticker. Apart from that, everything is same as the GoPro Hero 6, but this guy is not punching at as heavy a punch as the other one. Again, my purpose when I decided to get this is to compare with Hero 5 Sessions mostly, because even GoPro itself in its communication knows and declares that GoPro Hero 6 is the better camera in terms of image quality, 4K, slow-mo, this and that. But this is sold as a budget camera for $200, which is the current price of Hero 5 Sessions, and it does not have 4K, it does not have 120 or more frames per second. But that doesn't discourage me. Let's go for the in-depth review. Alright, since we decided to talk about the technical aspect of things, I think this is time to include the Hero 5 session in the bunch. Because, frankly, the 2018 GoPro Hero is like these two had a kid. This has like smaller capacities, but you know, the budget version got into the body of the regular GoPro Hero Black. So then it became the GoPro 2018. They call it the budget model. But then this was the former budget model, which had also a different form factor. Okay, we said we'll talk about the technical details. So, okay, without making it too complicated, let's go over the main differences. Let me put it like this. So, GoPro Hero 6 can actually shoot 12 megapixel photos with 30 frames per second burst, and GoPro Hero 2018 can do 10 megapixels with 10 frames per burst, which is not that bad. And I frankly don't take many photos with my GoPros, but if you do, you get a better picture quality from the more expensive camera, which is rather obvious. The main difference is actually in the video. This guy can go up to 4K 60 frames per second versus the GoPro 2018, GoPro Hero 2018. The max it can do is 1080p 60 frames per second. And there's also voice control on both devices, but there's no wake on voice on the new Hero 2018. And they are using a more expensive, more complicated, actually in-house built chipset on GoPro Hero 6 versus a more generic cheap chipset that it is used in GoPro Hero 2018. And about the photos, I think an important thing is the HDR photo. HDR is actually a really cool feature. It combines the various exposures, so everything looks great. Not only the foreground objects, but also the background is clear too. Unfortunately, GoPro Hero 2018 does not have HDR photo, which is a bummer because when you're taking a photo, HDR is actually an important thing to do. And also this guy does not have manual exposure nor Pro Tune, which is actually offered both in Hero 6 and Hero 5 sessions. Another note about sessions is that it actually can shoot 4K in 30 frames per second. So once we start comparing the footage, we will be the judge of that, and actually we will have some arguments why GoPro took away some of the resolutions yet brought this up as a new budget camera. GoPro Hero 6 has higher Wi-Fi capabilities, and these two are rather slower than the other one. And on this one, there's no night mode. On the new Hero 2018, there's no night mode, but in GoPro Hero 6, it actually automatically switches. Same battery is used in both cameras here, the Hero 6 and the Hero 2018, but it's different chipset, so the battery life could actually differ. I will test this, but it will not be as reliable in my opinion because some of the battery life can be improved by some software packages, and 2018 GoPro is rather new, so it will not be a fair battle to do at this stage of its life. Let's talk about Hero 5 sessions for a second. I really like the form factor. Take a look at this one. Like, this is smaller, it can fit to places, especially if you are, say, shooting a family video. This is more intrusive, or, well, the other one, than this one. So I think my love for GoPro Hero 5 sessions will continue, and it provides amazing angles. Like, it's easier to attach this thing to places, this and that. But, well, it is not the newest anymore, but it will stay in my camera bag for a while. All right, so I now charged both cameras up to 100%. I'll just show it. Here's Hero 2018, here's Hero 6 Black. Let's check the battery percentages because we will be also comparing the batteries. I will shoot exact same footage with exact same settings, so that's why I am going to turn on both cameras now at the same time. And they are both on. Hero 6 was faster to boot up, which, okay, it's just a fact now at the moment because they were both in deep sleep modes. As you can see, Hero 2018 is at 100% battery, and here it's also visible that Hero 6 is also 100%. Just a quick note, I realized that wireless was on GoPro Hero 6. I'm turning it off as well. It was already off on GoPro Hero 2018, so now the test is a lot more fair. Here's a difficult spot for GoPros to record. Let's turn both of them at the same time. Oh, well, they're on at the same time. Hero 6 is at 98%. Hero 2018 is actually not 97% already. Okay, let's walk. Here we are at the garage, actually. This is my ideal low light condition. Let's take a walk here. I keep the cameras rather steady, so yeah, I think from the looks on the cameras, from the looks on the screens on cameras, I can say the new 2018 Hero is rather brighter, but colors are better on the Hero 6. Okay, let's keep doing that. It's not as dark as I wanted it to be, but it's still not the ideal lighting conditions. That's why I choose to shoot my video here. I can actually get closer to the darkest side. Doesn't get darker than that here. Yep. Seems like both cameras are doing a good job, but you can be the judge. Okay, here for example, the cleaning cloth is lost on GoPro Hero 6, but Hero 2018 seems like covering it better. Of course, we will see both when we are doing the editing, and both cameras are at 96%, by the way. We already lost 2% battery. All right, so I decided to record the passage from a low light condition to direct sunshine, and you can see which camera is actually doing better once the footage is out. All right, so let's face the sun. It usually is a problem for any camera. Yeah, let's go. We're around 60 frames per second, 1080p, 60 frames per second, and the view is on wide. We are walking. Whoa, this is very windy. Oh la la. I don't know how the sound will be, which one will be hearing me, which one will be completely lost. We'll see that. Whoa, it's cold. All right, let's keep going. I cross the street, and yeah, from the onboard screens, the Hero 6's colors look more saturated. That's like GoPro signature move, but I don't know if the 2018 version will be as flat as it seems on the screen. So whoa, the wind is getting crazy. Actually, we are at 94% and 93%. We are losing our battery life really fast. All right, let's do this. A 360 here. By the way, this is such a nice view. I came to the Scantry State Park to test the camera's performances, and so far I'm having a lot of fun. Here is the East River Ferry. Yeah, here is a passage actually from the shade to the sun. The shade starts here, and here we have the Pepsi sign. Yeah, let's see. Battery indicators are 93% in both cameras, and we're going. Okay, so now we got into the shade. I'm cold, but I'm doing this so that our viewers can decide on which camera is best for them. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are preparing reviews as such, and you won't regret it. And the best is, it's free, okay? You don't pay for subscription to our channel, so just click on the button and make us happy. All right, let's put two cameras here, turn them on. Who's on first? Hero 6 is first? Okay. Yep. You know what? I think it's time to make a time lapse with both cameras, because we are at such a cool location that time lapse would look just gorgeous. So for that, we get into the time lapse mode here. No, time lapse video. Oh, this one does not have time lapse photo, but that's okay. So 1080p, 0.5 seconds, wide point of view. Let me make sure that they are seeing the same thing. Let's start the time lapse on both cameras. GoPro Hero on the left is at 83% battery versus GoPro 2018 at 87%. I don't know how reliable are those indicators, especially the numbers, but for the moment, new battery is doing better than the old battery. Alright, so I think I found the perfect testing spot. We have some colors here, we have some nice flowers, so let's turn both cameras on. Again, almost the same boot up times on both cameras. So, doesn't this look good? Okay, let's go. Ooh, let me take a seat here actually. All right. It looks gorgeous. Let's get closer. This looks really cool, and so is this one. It won't be easy to compare, but I'm curious about how they look on the camera. And we already lost 10% of the battery, and I don't know if one is warmer than the other one. What's this one? No, they're equally warm, so there's no heating issue. Oh, there's a photographer here, someone who actually knows what they're doing compared to me jumping around with two cameras. But I think most of the people are like me. We jump around with cameras. We don't have expensive DSLRs, so we pay for an expensive action camera for our family holidays and some of our videos that we do online. So we are on the same team, guys. I don't know how I sound, I don't know how I look. Let's make a 360 tour around. Subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our channel, subscribe, and more subscribe, please. This will be a test for the stabilization as well. Let's go. And the other way. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching our video. Just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video so we keep bringing you good videos like this one. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. And obviously, see you on the next video. Ciao. Ciao.